The term altcoin refers to all coins that are not Bitcoin, BTC, with alt standing for alternative and coin standing for cryptocurrency. Following the global financial crisis of 2008 to 2009, blockchain technology was first made public by the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. In today's video, we will learn about altcoins in detail. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. BTC has made a name for itself as the gold standard of cryptocurrencies and revolutionized the financial industry. Due to its first-mover advantage, it has evolved into the stable equilibrium among cryptocurrencies based on blockchain technology. To address Bitcoin's technical and usability issues, substitute coins have been developed, more on this later. So, is Ethereum a cryptocurrency? Second and third generation blockchain-based cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, LTC, and Ether were introduced after the emergence of altcoins. The price of altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies, is often expressed in BTC, despite the fact that Bitcoin is frequently quoted in dollars, yuan, euros, and other fiat currencies. Types of altcoins. The many types of altcoins include stablecoins, decentralized finance, Defy Altcoins, proof of work and proof of stake altcoins, based on consensus processes. Altcoins proof of work and proof of stake. The proof of work consensus technique is used by the Bitcoin network to validate and carry out transactions. LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and Zcash are among additional proof of work altcoins, ZEC. In the proof of stake paradigm, however, validators, rather than miners, verify transactions. Ethereum is switching to the proof of stake consensus mechanism because the proof of work method consumes a lot of energy. Other proof of stake altcoins include Tron, TRX, and Cosmos, Atom. Stablecoins. Stablecoins are coins whose value is tied to a fiat currency, such as the USD. One unit of the fiat currency to which the stablecoin is tied is equal to the stablecoin's value. For instance, the stablecoin Tether, USDT, has a value tied to the US dollar. The stablecoin's issuer typically holds cash or other assets equivalent to the quantity of coins in circulation in reserve to maintain the peg. In this way, the holders will receive compensation if the coin malfunctions or has problems. Defy Altcoins. Holders of DeFi stablecoins on the blockchain can lend and borrow their digital assets to generate passive income. Compound or COMP, Synthetics or SNX and Uniswap or UNI are examples of DeFi altcoins to buy.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.